Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture now we'll show you the material takeoff quantity for firefighting work. So in the same project you can see here I have run the firefighting services. It is not visible because it is in shaded view. When I open the wireframe, now you can see the fire pipe which we are running and the sprinkler we have placed, okay, in the false ceiling level. So from here it is not, you want to see, just open the ground floor plan here or ground level, finish ground level, and here this is your ground floor plan. Here you can see, open the ceiling plan of this, so it is very easy to understood. Now see, here we have placed the sprinkler, and this is our fire pipe. We have also given the pipe diameter, bottom of pipe, everything. Can you see? So same way here, if you want to find out the fire pipe takeoff quantity, or you want to prepare the BOQ for fire pipe which you are running in your project, so for that simple, just in the report and schedule, analyze tab, report and schedule. From here hit on schedule quantity. Now from here make sure the piping is selected and search where is pipes, and you can also calculate the takeoff quantity for pipe fittings, pipe accessories, pipe insulation if you are using. Okay, so I'm just selecting the pipe, and here I am writing pipe takeoff quantity. Okay, now finally what you want to see in that schedule. So same system abbreviation is important. First select it, add. Now size of pipe, select the size, add. Next thing, length is needed, select the length, and then finally cost. Okay, okay, now let's see here the pipe in system abbreviation, different types of pipe which you are using in your project. FPW, so this is your fire protection wet pipe, generally we are using. Okay, so in system abbreviation you can see the fire protection wet pipe is given, their different diameter and length of that pipe is given. Okay, so here what I am doing, I am just sorting by system abbreviation. So hit on sorting or size, sorting or grouping. Here you have to hit on edit, sort by system abbreviation. You want to see in header, footer also. If you want blank line, just select it like this. Can you see? Here we have some different types of pipe also, I think, because this is given na? Here in system abbreviation you can see here the name is not given. For fire protection wet pipe, name is given. Maybe some different types of pipe they are using, but there maybe their calculation, 1 minute, I will see. Some other pipes are also there. Come here in the floor plan. Okay, so don't need to calculate that, because see, when you select any of the pipe here, you will get the, in system classification you will get fire protection wet pipe. Okay, so we have to calculate the takeoff quantity for that pipe only. Okay, so come here, sort by system abbreviation. So now this is not important, so remove this. Okay, sorry, I want to remove this complete row. So for that you can see here, if you want to delete the column, so it is given here. If you want to delete the row, so just please note that you are not just removing row from the schedule but also deleting the associate. Yeah, okay, because some different, because here we need fire protection wet pipe. So okay, we have sorted by what? Only by system abbreviation. Same way in sorting or grouping, sort by size also, header, footer, blank line. So now see, the 1.5 inch fire protection wet pipe, their total length if you want to see. Then we have 1/4 inch fire wet pipe, 1 inch fire wet pipe. Now in formatting, what you can do, select the length and cost. Okay, here you have to write down calculate total. Okay, now see, here you will get the total length of that. Here we have a fire protection wet pipe 1.5 inch, total how much, 239 feet 4 inch. So if you don't want this in feet and inches, so what you can do, just open any of the floor plan. Here use the unit command, UN, just type UN. In length, just here it is unit, feet and fractional inch. I want in feet. If you want to see the symbol, just write down symbol feet. Okay, now just open the takeoff pipe takeoff quantity. Now see the value, exact value you will get. So in our project, the fire wet 1 inch fire protection wet pipe, we have how much total length, 345. So in this way you can easily calculate the pipe fire protection wet pipe takeoff quantity. Same way, in your project, if you have a sprinkler, so you can also create a sprinkler takeoff quantity. In analyze only, report and schedule panel, hit on schedule and quantity. Now here you have to search for sprinkler. See this sprinkler. Now give the name what you want. So I am giving sprinkler takeoff quantity. Okay, and what you want to see, so here the system, family is important here. Just added the family. Next, size of a sprinkler if you want, but here size is not important. Important is what, the family, which type of a sprinkler, and second thing, count is important. Where is count? At cost also add it. Okay, just see, here you will get the sprinkler name, pendant type of a sprinkler, count 1. Okay, and some other type if you are using host, some other type, so their quantity is needed here. Okay, so here what I'm doing, sorting by family, header, footer, calculate total, blank line. Okay, now see, and in formatting, just select the count and cost. Here just calculate total. Okay, now in our project, when you see, we have pendant type of sprinkler, total quantity 101. Okay, so in this way you will get the idea. Clear? So this is all about the material takeoff quantity for firefighting work. I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.